Alright, this is part 2 of my LEGO 3221 City Truck review. And so far we're almost done with the review. Anyways, like I said, there's also 2 doors in the back with 2 little logos, and they open up like that. See? Both sides. There's 2. Now anyways, there is a kickstand which can support the trailer when the trailer is attached. Supports like that. You just push that up there and up like this. Like, hold on, wait. Like this. You just have to push up like this and push down when the truck and trailer are attached. And this is how it works. See, it works like this in this position. See? Well, unfortunately, it makes it a little higher, but also makes it a little easier for the truck to attach the trailer. And oh man, see, look, this is how it works. See, just to move the trailer here. Okay, and also the roof also opens up in 3 sections, and so this is how the truck goes. It's pretty nice. I like this truck. It's so nice. Yeah, and so I'm gonna have to rate this truck maybe 9 out of 10. Cannot go any higher than that because how I wish LEGO would add more boxes of other LEGO City sets, and themes, and also they would add an extra minifigure with a Lego toy store, and how a little toy store just to make it a little better, but it's still pretty great. Still like this set so much. Now I recommend you. This set is really perfect for your little child to get. They're even for collectors. Anyways, these are one of the modular build easy start sets, and here is the picture. Here's the picture of it, of LEGO set number 3180, the tank truck. I'm gonna be doing a LEGO building and LEGO review on that set one of these days. And this is the LEGO 3181. This is the newer version of the passenger plane. I had the old version of the LEGO passenger plane, number 7893. And there is the newer version LEGO Airport, which is the 3182. Number 3182. And so, there's also what says here in the box. This is also what says here in the box here. This is what you see, how it works. See, like I have said earlier in the last video, it is 15.4 inches, and you get the you get that. Bags 1 and 2 build the semi-cab, which Aubrey was building most of the time. And bag 3 builds the trailer, which I built the whole entire time. And continuing on here, there's the trucker, 2 minifigures get a set, and unloading the boxes at the toy store. And yeah, that's about it. So, also almost forgot to show you that these doors open up. Hold on. Almost forgot to show the doors open up like this. Sorry if I have to do it this way, but I don't want to get any fingerprints. So here too. Yeah, I think it comes off a lot. And still, this. Okay. Anyways. Okay. And then also the hand cart. This one also goes in here too. Polishing is off. Sorry if I don't want to get any fingerprints on this set because it's still kind of new. And also gonna put this minifigure to sleep. Okay. Oh no, I'm sorry if it's taking a long time, but I'm trying to get him in a position while getting fingerprints. Okay. Requires a little polishing there. Okay. Good night.
My phone.
Oh. Anyways, there he is. They're now inside the cab saying good night. That means it's almost over. Oh, I have it. Okay. Okay, anyways, this is really a perfect set. If you have $35, buy this set. It is really, really kind of a perfect set. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and bye-bye.